Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with my trusty assistant Blue the Fox, and for this week's Take and Make craft we are making these little spoon leaf bugs. In your craft kit you'll receive some felt, a spoon, and 2 googly eyes. Of your own supplies you'll need your coloring supplies of choice. I recommend paint pens or paint, some scissors, and some glue. I am starting off by using my paint pens to color in the body of my spoon bug. You can pick out a book from the nonfiction section and base it off of a real bug, like a beetle or a ladybug, or you can invent your own bug. So I finished the body and I'm adding some detail for the wings and the head. Once the bug is ready, I'm coloring the stem of the spoon brown so that it looks like a little branch. And lastly, to finish my bug, I'm gluing on the googly eyes. Now we're ready to make our leaf. I'm just freehanding a leaf shape out of my felt, and then cutting a small hole near the base, just enough so that the handle of the spoon can slip through. To make it a little bit more stable, once I'm happy with the size and placement of it, I'll go ahead and glue the leaf in place. So I'm gluing at the back on the top and on the underside where the leaf should sit in the spoon. And that is our finished leaf bug. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!